right, Mark Deering here from REMAX. We've got another new listing for you. Second one this week. We are in Wyoming. We are on a nice cul-de-sac street. If you look down there, you've got a cul-de-sac. You got Grand Rapids right over there. A bunch of manicured, nice lawns in this neighborhood. Here's a bunch of stats on this house right here. Let's jump in and take a look. So you walk in and right away you walk into the living room. It's got a nice bay window. You're gonna see a lot of bay windows and a lot of natural light in this home, so pay attention to that. But this is the living room with nice laminate flooring. As you walk through there, you're gonna have a dining area, real good sized dining area. This table here is movable, so they did a lot of food prep, so this particular table can move around. You can get it out of the way. Nice hard surface countertops, tile backsplash, newer stainless steel appliances, and there's a really cool window here looking out the back. You can see the bird feeder right out the back. Look at all these cabinets. I mean, you could have a ton of storage, you know, cooking goods, you name it, groceries, lots and lots of space here. All right, before we go to the other end of the home, let's check out this side. This is a 4-season room, family room, sitting room, whatever you like to call it. But there's a 8-foot slider, big giant window, another window here, lots of natural light in here, ceiling fan, overlooking a really cool park-like backyard. I could totally see making this a reading room, a little TV room, whatever you'd like, but lots of space here on the main floor. Before we head outside, I want to show you the rest of the house. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, so you have a lot of space, especially on the main floor. This main floor square footage is huge. Look at this bathroom. Hard surface countertop, tile surround, tub, and this is a glass enclosure. Updated stool, tile floors. It's got a real clean, updated feel. And let's check out the 3 bedrooms. This would be bedroom. This isn't gonna be the primary. I would say this is probably the secondary bedroom. There's gonna be one that's a little bit bigger. This is bedroom 3, I would say, size-wise on the main floor, but it's got the nice laminate floor, good office if you need all the 4 bedrooms. This is the primary. This is gonna be the biggest. The windows are updated in this home. Very notable, very expensive to do on your own. When you're shopping for a home and you see updated windows, you just saved $15,000 to $20,000. But this is a real good size primary room with 2 separate closets. Nice closet space on each. And a little bonus here with this primary is it does have its own bath. So you got a nice sink and toilet, easy for getting ready in the morning and having your own space. Before we go downstairs, I want to show you the backyard. I know saying park-like gets cliche because we say it a lot, but I will tell you what, this definitely is a park-like backyard. You've got tons of greenery, trees, fenced in. Look at all these different little gardens and shrubs and beautiful. I wish I could name all those flowers, but I can't. But very beautiful, and it definitely feels like a park back here. Let's also not overlook the deck space. So this is all good amount of deck space. You can set up a nice picnic table over here. I am looking this direction and I cannot see in any other homes, even though there are homes around here, just to give you an idea of how private it is. Very private setting. We're gonna go to the basement. All right when you thought there was a lot of space upstairs, there's a lot more down here. So walk right into the rec room, which is kind of broken into 2 pieces. So you could have, you know, a craft room on one side. Yes, the wife's gonna love that. It's a craft room on one side and a family room on the other. Or you know, you could pretty much do anything down here, but there is a lot of space. I'll kind of walk around and show you. These are big, big rooms. Once again, daylight windows, updated windows. This has got to be about 20 plus feet by 12. You could easily fit 2 queen beds in here. You know, if you had kids or guests or whatever, there's a lot of space in here. Or this could be a workout room, whatever you'd like. And I mentioned 2.5 baths. This is the second full bath shower, conveniently set up for the basement. And you would think with all of that finished square footage that you weren't gonna have much storage, but you do. Lots of storage. You could set up a little workshop in here, crafts, hunting, whatever, fishing, whatever you're into. Lots of room for that. All right, so there you have it. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, Wyoming, cul-de-sac living, park-like backyard. This place is awesome. Come check it out.